you got one of these Razor scooters and it's not working, it's not that it's not working, you got to know how to use it. So somebody gave this to me and we charged it and we didn't understand why it wasn't going anywhere, because if you stand on it, it says push, kick, twist, and go, which means that you have to twist the throttle. The thing actually does not do anything until you're going about 3 miles an hour. So you got to give it a good kick, and that's what it's trying to tell you is kick. So if this wasn't here, I would have thought the thing was broken. I just ordered a new charger for it because the first charger I had wasn't doing anything, but it was. So it did fully charge the thing, but without giving it that kick so you can go, you know what I mean? Make it go like 3 miles an hour. Once this wheel knows that it's going about 3 miles an hour, when you give it that kick, it'll eventually, the motor turns on and the thing starts to go. So it's pretty cool, but without instructions, you'll think that it's broken. You just won't even know it. So that's why I made this video, just to let you guys know. If it helped you out, all I ask is give me a thumbs up.
Go.